F150 and dome light still on. So what's wrong with it? It's usually the switch in the door. So how can you check if the switch is broken or if the switch is sending the right signal to ECU? I disassembled the worst door I have in this truck. It's a driver's side rear door, and I'm gonna double check if the switch is wrong or if something else. So how to test the door switch without disassembling this panel here? I had to disassemble because of different reasons, but you can do it without any touching this piece and without going inside of the door. You have to just open this one up and according to wiring diagram find which two wires are actually responsible for sending the signal back to ECU. And those two to the door switch are easy to find because they are very tiny wires. So all you need is the simple 12-volt probe. Then you pinch the wire, one of them. You see the light? Okay, so that's one wire, and the second, you see the light? When I close the door, which I will do with my screwdriver, and I test those wires again, there is a light on one of them, second should be dead. There is no ground. Okay, safety tip. Put something flat underneath the wire you want to pinch and then pinch it, because I did it with my finger and pinched my finger a few times. So just don't do it that way, do it this way. And for the front door switch or rear door switch or passenger or driver side, doesn't matter. It's always tiny wire, black and black with different color. I'll show you the picture later, which coloring is for which door. So you have a flat screwdriver under, pinch your wire, you see the light. So it's that colored black wire. So this is a black with yellow. And now we lock the door this way. So put your screwdriver in and lock this plastic thing so it's locked for the ECU. You double check the wire again. There was no signal, you didn't see any light on this probe, so that's good. I'm gonna open the door again. The door is unlocked. I'll double check this wire and you see the light. So switches are working. Don't forget to put some tape around the place you pinch the hole in, okay? So front door on the passenger side. So you put your screwdriver in, and then first stage and the second stage. Make sure you put in the second stage, because it will give you different results if it's only in the first stage. So now it's locked up, see? It actually simulates that it goes against this. So just imagine that piece of bracket is all the way in. You close the door, this locking mechanism is in. I'm gonna find the black wire with the pink coloring. So now you see the flat screwdriver. I'm gonna pinch it. Okay, there is no light. I'm gonna pull the handle, put a screwdriver in here, move it just into first stage. That's enough for this test. I'm gonna pinch it again here. Same spot. I tried doing it the same spot. See the light? Okay, so this switch works. Just don't forget to bring this little piece into open position. So you're gonna pull the handle, put your screwdriver in here and flip it. Okay, so now it's ready for this bracket again. I just highly recommend to put some WD-40 or something into this mechanism after you are done, or even before. It's always nice to work on the car outside when it's snowing, right? But it's Alberta.